In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to limit the number of posts in WordPress RSS feed. RSS feeds provide your users an easier way to subscribe to your site. However, sometimes you may want to limit the number of posts users can view in RSS feed, so it encourages them to actually visit your site. To do this, in your dashboard, go to Settings, and click on Reading. Now, here's this option called Syndication Feed. Show the most recent, and here choose how many posts you can show. And that's it. This is how you can limit the number of posts in WordPress RSS feed. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.